I'm buying something at the Apple store today. Apple today is launching the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Apple Watch Series 10, and a bunch of stuff. We're here in launch day. It's currently 7:40 a.m. It is extremely raining. There's a bunch of people there waiting in line, even in the rain. I wanted to show you the experience on how an important day for Apple is actually like. Let's do this. All right, so I wasn't expecting this, to be honest. It's actually raining quite a lot, and there's tons of people here waiting in line for the iPhone. There's a pre-order line, so there's people who actually spent the night here with the rain, which is crazy. So not only that, there's this entire line, but then if we actually go back, the line continues there. There's a subscriber, which is amazing. I love being here at the Apple Store to actually get to know a bunch of you. So yeah, the line keeps continuing. This line is massive. I haven't seen such a big line, which just surprises me, you know, with the 16 Pro with the rain, which is awesome. That's what I love about Apple. There's not really another brand that's able to pull all of this off. So much excitement after tech, which is amazing. I mean, iPhone launches are one of my favorite days of the year. So just how much hype there is within the actual product.
Yeah, I watched a video of you yesterday.
Good.
So.
All right, we've got the second person in line. What's your name?
Gabriel.
Gabriel. He's actually a subscriber, which is even more amazing. What are you getting? And you're the second person in line, so are you excited as well?
Yeah, really excited.
Okay.
I'm getting the 16 Pro Max.
Nice. What color?
The new edition titanium.
Awesome. So what are you most excited about the new iPhone?
Well, I watched the keynote. I think they have great features.
Yeah.
So, well, I have a 14 Pro. I'm going to upgrade to the 16 Pro Max.
Wow. Are you excited about the new camera control button?
Camera control, yeah. I'm very excited about that.
Are you happy gold is finally coming back to the iPhone?
Yeah.
All right, so here's your truly behind the scenes of how an Apple Store launch actually looks like for the iPhone 16. Everybody's ready, the Apple Store is ready, the employees are ready. Let's do this. All right, here's the first person in line, first iPhone 16 customer. Ready? So on the one hand, being a YouTuber is very fun, but I'd also think in another life I would have worked at an Apple Store. I feel like it's so much fun, the community building that there's here. And with days like this, I'm sure it's like so incredibly fun. So now it's my time to actually wait in line. So yes, I'm buying something at the Apple Store. As I told you, my mom is actually picking up an iPhone 16 Pro Max in Desert Titanium. She has like an iPhone 11 Pro. So I feel like, you know, it was time for her to upgrade. So apart from my 16 Pro Max that I'm getting for my mom, Xenia's dad, I actually have to pick him up a teal iPhone 16 as well. So yeah, tons of unboxings today. I'm so excited. Teal iPhone 16. All right, and here's the beast right here. 16 Pro Max Desert Titanium. Here's a little surprise. Robert is also buying an iPhone, but something he doesn't know is that it was actually his birthday, and I'm buying him an iPhone case.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
It was the surprise I wanted to do.
Wow.
All right, what color do you want? Let's do it.
You could call it division or tether. All at once I can see.
All right, Robert's actually picking up the late green iPhone 16 Pro case. It's his birthday. I mean, I have to. All right, so let me show you the brand new iPhone case lineup for the iPhone 16 series, which the first thing that I have to tell you is that the Beats case that I actually showed you in the channel, yes, Beats are actually making iPhone cases now, which is amazing. They've got the Beats branding on the side, have the camera control button, and most importantly, they've actually got the Beats logo in the back. I absolutely love the fact that Beats is actually making cases now. In terms of the official Apple silicone case lineup, I'm not going to tell you them by the fancy names because I can't remember all the names. By the way, here's Juliet making content as well, which is amazing. All right, so the blue one. This looks incredible. Looks really good for the winter. It's got like this midnight blue vibes. Obviously, all of them have the cutout for the camera control. And this is obviously touchscreen. You've got this dark blue, very, very dark blue, which looks more black to me, which is super simple one. You've got this greenish, dark greenish. You've also got this dark yellow. You've also got this kind of magenta pinkish, which will match the new iPhone incredibly well. You've also got the new blue, royal bluish, ocean blue. Looks really good with the new iPhone as well. You've got this purple, and you've got kind of like this dark gray greenish. And you've obviously got the clear MagSafe cases. This hasn't been redesigned. It's the same one from last year, but obviously has that camera control cutout. So it's super cool to see Beats and Apple on the same spot. I mean, so cool to see this. So when I was in Cupertino at the Apple event, I couldn't really appreciate anything that was out there with the colors. Everything was happening so fast. And I couldn't really appreciate the new colors of the AirPods Max. And now seeing them more calmed down, they're beautiful. I mean, this orange one is stunning. It's got this like salmon-y look, which I love. And this lavender, the purple one, oh my gosh, I mean, it's gonna be so popular. I actually got the Starlight to review in the channel, so that will be happening this week. So I'm super excited about it. Midnight and also the blue. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I'm probably gonna stick with, for me, obviously Starlight is the color that's like more me. Here's something pretty cool that Apple has done in terms of retail. So they've actually done like this little layout in the actual table, and it basically shows you how to use camera control. So it basically tells you tap it once to open up the camera, and then swipe up and swipe down to do the different controls, tap twice. I mean, it's pretty cool how they've actually done it. And then here it actually showcases both sizes, 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max, in all the different colors. So there's basically two colors, and then in the middle, it basically shows you and showcases the new camera control feature. All right, so here's your surprise. It's super exciting, and I can't believe we're doing it again. We're actually going to the boardroom, super exclusive, to unbox the new iPhone inside of the beautiful Apple Store in Paseo La Gracia. This room, I mean, you're not gonna believe how beautiful this is. If Tim Cook would come to Barcelona, this is, I mean, he's probably been here, which is amazing. So we're unboxing the iPhone again in the most unique, the most special place on earth after Cupertino Apple's boardroom. So yes, we've got two iPhones to unbox. We've got the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and we've got the standard iPhone 16 in teal. This is actually the first time that I've actually had this one in person right here. It looks so good. Julie, do you want to do the honors of like doing like that? Is there anything better than this? This is something that the US doesn't have. You actually get a SIM eject tool. Thank you, Julie. That was amazing. That was a very good unboxing. We've also got more work to do because we've got the new Desert Titanium as well. Mom, I hope you don't get mad that I'm actually unboxing it for the sake of this video. Max Desert Titanium. I'll never get sick of unboxing this gold iPhone. I mean, come on. Look at this lighting right here, which is a little bit more warm. It looks so freaking good. All right, Roberto, now who wants to peel it off? That was even better than Julie's. That was like so good. It was like, that was perfect. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Robert, I'm sorry I don't have any more iPhones to like peel off. Now Robert's sad. I mean, dude, I got you an iPhone. Can I unbox your iPhone case? You want to see how it looks on the iPhone? All right, Robert didn't actually want to unbox the iPhone here. He wanted to unbox it home, but I don't know why he thought about it. But he's actually unboxing it as well. Dude, this is your next iPhone.
Yeah.
I mean, for me, it's the most boring color to get. I have to say it.
Yeah, I know.
But you gotta make it better than Juliet's and Arnaud's. That was solid. Something that still shocks me about the new Apple Watch Series 10 is this new jet black finish. I mean, I can't believe the fact that this is actually made out of aluminum, and it's actually the cheapest Apple Watch Series 10 to get. I mean, it literally feels and looks as premium as the standard titanium models. It looks incredible in person. All right, I just met a subscriber. This is Juan. Look how many iPhones he got. You want to show? iPhone 16 Pro Max and Desert Titanium, another Desert Titanium, black, and black. Now these are all for his family. It's not all for himself, obviously, but yeah, pretty crazy on how many iPhones he got. that isn't talked about enough is Apple Trade-in, and I've talked about it before in the channel, but if you actually pick up today an iPhone 16 Pro Max, for example, you can trade in like an old iPhone 10, iPhone 11. They'll give you some cash to actually discount you from your iPhone. But if you've got an iPhone 15 Pro or an iPhone 14 Pro, they're actually going to discount you a lot. It's basically like selling it in Facebook Marketplace, but it's just, I mean, it's just so much easier than just buying your new iPhone, giving your old iPhone back, and you've basically got a massive discount. It's super cool seeing everybody playing around with the brand new star of the show, the new camera control feature on the iPhone 16. So this is the iPhone 16 in pink, by the way, which looks incredible. You've got like the camera control right here, which has got like this lighter pink, which looks stunning. So if you actually tap on it, the camera will open. You can actually hold it like this, which in my opinion is more comfortable. If you do like this double light press, you've got your different modes, so you can actually mess around with the exposure, the zoom, the camera lens, the styles, and everything. Let's go ahead and tap on zoom, which is super satisfying. It actually gives you like this haptic feedback, which is cool. So by simply swiping, I tap the button, it's taking a photo. If I actually hold on it, I actually start recording a video. What do you think about the new camera control? Okay, so with this crazy weather, that's the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro. They're now available worldwide. Let me know in the comments if you actually picked up something. Did you get the new Apple Watch, new AirPods, new iPhone? If you did, let me know what color you got as well. Or are you still sticking with your standard Apple Watch? Why is it raining so much? Subscribe if you're new. Tons more Apple content like this one. And yeah, I'm gonna go get some cover because it's raining like crazy. Subscribe. Hey. Cool,